Hey, beautiful people, come closer. Have you ever thought of what activity to give your children this Christmas season? Something fun, creative, and meaningful? Well, here's a beautiful idea you will love. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Christmas nativity scene house craft. A perfect activity for kids in churches, schools, or even at home. It's a wonderful way to remind children of the birth of Jesus while letting them enjoy some hands-on creativity this festive season. Let's get started. Welcome to Forever's Guide. How you guys doing? Thanks for tuning in. So guys, before I start, remember my students are Buddhists, they are not Christians. So I needed them to really get a deeper clue and understanding of the birth of Jesus Christ. So I gave them an instruction on what to do and what to produce. And so they came out with this, and this gave them a clear picture on what the nativity scene looks like. So I'm going to explain to you or show you the various parts of how this craft was coupled together or made. Guys, when they did it, they were so amazed themselves and were happy. They told me they could now understand vividly what the nativity scene was all about. So here is the craft or the scene. As we can see, look at how they made that. It's so lovely. We have the fence. It's like, the nativity of Jesus Christ where he was born, not in a normal hospital we all know, guys. So they had to come out with something similar to like a forest or a place where the sheep were being kept or were okay. So we have the Christmas light. Actually, it's already green. It was green, but because it's almost 2 years I give them this activity, so it's already turned brown. So it was a green Christmas tree. So you see that light they put there, it's really lovely. You can change that. So guys, the next we will be seeing the other part. We have, look at those, look at, just guys, just admire nature. Just see this, you just see nature vividly, right? It was a great stuff. And they used foam, that is foam to make this beautiful craft from. Yes, they use foam and they use clay and they use some other items, as you can see, to come out with what actually looks like the nativity scene. So we have that fence with some sheep that were inside. Oh my god, guys, can you not feel this is like in miniature, right? This is in miniature, a miniature of the nativity scene. It looks so real and it was beautiful. I gave them perfect point for this act, and they did not only do this present this, I also gave them the story to practice it, and they practiced and they presented very well along with this. So the project was a huge one I gave them. Yes, guys, they did not only do this crafting, they also presented the story of Jesus like a drama form. Yeah, and also made a scrapbook about the symbols of Christmas. So guys, let's look at them the closely. We have the, that is angel. Can you see an angel there that was guiding? Yeah, that's an angel there. Look at the wings of that angel. Oh my god, this is beautiful. See the wings of the angel, and we have baby Jesus lying in the manger, and we also have, that is Mary, the mother of Jesus, at the side, and Joseph. Yeah, that's Mary. And we also have Joseph, the father, the paternal father of Jesus Christ. Okay, and we have the sheep that were laying or lying or just beside where the baby was born, because remember the baby was born in the house of where sheep were kept. Yes, we call it a manger. So can you see everything looks so natural and traditional. guys. So this is a great idea. You can just take this example, tell your student to produce this project for you, and I gave them this project to be produced 2 or 3 weeks before Christmas, and that is why you will see them holding it on the actual day we had Christmas party in school. Yes, because I already prepared them what to do, what to present before the actual day of the Christmas celebration. So guys, you can tell this is the right time to give your student this activity to prepare, so that it will be something different, like the ordinary that the other teachers have been saying. When my student made this, even my directors and other teachers were amazed to see this. They were so happy with this project. So why not I share it? Why don't I share it? I decided to share this for you guys so that you can also look at it vividly, clearly, and also do the same for your student. Okay guys, I hope you find this very helpful. So let's continue to look at that. Let's look at the different things that make up this nativity scene, as we have been explaining. Let's go around the house. Can you see, you see what they did there? Like those are trees. The trees, wait, that is foam they made like that in the form of tree. And these are the students that came out with this project, which I instructed them to do. See their names: Dora, Natasha, Melissa. We also have is this Stephanie or Franklin? We have one, yeah, Sister Stephanie. So all my students have English names. None of them have Thai names. So I made them to understand that they have two names when I'm teaching them. We have the English names and their Thai names. So in class, we are always using the English names. So that's why you saw them written it. They have written there their names. So guys, let's look at it clearly. Yeah, so can you see that's the staff, right? The staff, you see that idea? Oh my god, these kids are amazing. See the staff, and yes, as we already explained, the mother of Jesus, father of Jesus, and yeah, the three wise men. The three wise men, that's their staff. The three wise men, remember, that came to visit Jesus. So that's their staff, and they came with what? 3 gifts, right? Is it myrrh, frankincense, and what? Gold, right? If I'm not mistaken. So that's the house, the nativity scene of Jesus Christ. Yes, that's another wise man standing out there. Guys, aside from that one, this one we're just seeing, there were others that I gave other groups of students, like these ones you can see that they also came out with, and they were all beautiful. Guys, there were other groups I also instructed other activities to do, like the elves, Santa Claus. You see them. See you again in the next video. The reindeer they presented, gingerbread. We have simple Christmas tree. We have, yeah, the elf. We have Christmas gift that looks like a Santa Claus. We have this design of a Christmas tree from gift, Santa Claus, and you see. So guys, these are a group of them presenting all of the activities, and that is me over there. Can you see me? So guys, I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. See you again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.